Hey everyone, it's Amy from HTS, and today I have a super cute St. Patrick's Day tea towel project to show you. I'm going to be featuring our Pot of Gold HTV pattern that we have in our St. Patrick's Day collection. We have new patterns on our website, so make sure you go and check them out. All of our patterns are available in HTV and also permanent adhesive vinyl. I'll also be featuring our light gold HTV glitter today in my project, and I'll also be using our HTS blank tea towel. Our blank tea towels are great for a lot of different projects: housewarming, decor around the house, seasonal decor, and they're 100% cotton, and they've got a super soft hand feel and a really great quality. Today I'm going to walk you through, so if you are new to using our pattern HTV, our pattern HTV does not come with a carrier sheet on it, so you will need to use a transfer mask sheet, and I'm going to show you how you do that. It's very similar to using permanent adhesive with the transfer sheet, so I'm going to walk you through that, and then I'm going to get pressing. My heat press is set at 310, and I'll be holding for 15 seconds. I'll be doing a few different presses as I have the pattern vinyl and also the glitter vinyl. I'll be using my HTS cooling block because both vinyls, glitter and pattern, are cold peels. And I have my scraping tool here to help me with the transfer mask sheet. If you are wondering, we do have the transfer mask sheets for the pattern HTV on our website underneath the accessories. And I'll leave all these details at the end of the video. So let's get started. First up, you're going to take your transfer masking sheet and you are going to peel back the backing to fit your design. So it fits right on there. Just use what you need. Take your scraping tool and make sure it's on there really. You can cut what you don't need. Set that aside. Continue pulling back your masking sheet and take your other design. And do the same thing. Just get it really nice on the transfer masking sheet and you're going to be good to go. What this is doing is this is making sure that your pattern design is on a transfer sheet that can go into the heat. The transfer sheets that you use for adhesive vinyl, permanent adhesive vinyl, will not work with HTV pattern. Next step, you just want to make sure that your design is on there, and you're just going to pull off the backing from the pattern. So you're all set. And you'll do the same thing with the top design. And now we're ready to press.